Hello, this is Cyberdragon. Today I'm going to talk about Aviator. What it is a cloud software clouding server for businesses. You can do on-premise or leave everything in the cloud. You can go to Avatier.com. What it is a world-class identity as a container platform for identity management for everyone. The benefits are portable freedom, future-proof your enterprise with identity anywhere, hosted identity management in the cloud from Aviator or locally administered by your staff on premises or within any cloud provider. Hyper scalability instantly adds memory and larger CPUs to your identity management solution upon demand on premises or in the cloud. Automatic spin up new identity management servers instances as users and API session increases. Continuous delivery. It saves every upgrade time and cost regardless of on-premises or in the cloud. And they have native login, which eliminate dual administration by authentication using native directories without synchronization and redundant replication of users' passwords and groups in the cloud or premises. Maximum security. That what they'll do is check it that is confidential and pass audit tests, knowing that your identity management solution and data are privately encrypted and secure to your own instances without any commingling. Reduce your surface of cybersecurity vulnerability by running on a single function minified operating system. An easy recovery. Rollback ensures you can always get back to a previous version. What it is like pretty much like it's great for flexibility and it's a hybrid. The identity as a container allows innovative companies and integrators to deliver, run, and manage their identity management offerings on the most scalable, efficient, flexible, cost-effective, and secure platform in the world. The problems for identity containers solved are true digital transformation is taking place right now in the identity management space, but soon it will impact all cloud solution providers. It can run in the cloud and it can be everything administered through the cloud. And let's see what else they have. They charge for the in-cloud based on if you want to do password management, $50 per month. Single sign-on, $2 a month per user. Lifecycle, $5 a month per user. And access governance, $3 per month per user. And that's on the hosted section. On the non-hosted section, it's $1.05 per month per user, $40 per month per user, $3.50 per month per user, $2.10 per month per user. And I'll provide a list of this at the bottom. And you can see them on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and Vimeo. And you can have a web chat with them or contact them through email. They have blogs and events about, if you don't understand what Avatier is, they have a lot of articles and they teach you how put everything in the cloud is more safe compared to put on your laptop or USB. Because sometimes, let's say the USB, you lost it or the computer crashes and infected with virus. So pretty much you'll have a backup in the cloud so you can recover in the future in case something happens. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video with everyone so they know about Avatier cloud platform. And I hope to see you guys again next time. Goodbye.